Welcome everyone. So today we are going to solve a very nice math test problem, which is 1 divided by root of 36 minus 3. Now a lot of people end up thinking that root 36, the answer for this one is supposed to be plus minus 6. That, my dear friends, is absolutely incorrect. Please understand, the answer for root 36, answer for a positive number, root of a positive number will always be positive. So when is this situation possible? This is only possible if you had x square equals to 36. See, when you have a variable and when you take square root, see, nature of variable is that it keeps changing the values. Okay, so when you take square root, at that time a plus minus situation involves, and that is when you will get a plus minus 6 answer. But if you're just taking a positive root, then the answer for that one is supposed to be just 6. So answer is 1 divided by, instead of root 36, we will do 6 minus 3. Okay. Now here a lot of people make a mistake. They think that we will do what? 1 divided by 2, because 6 minus 3 is 3. So sorry, 1 divided by 3. So answer is 1 upon 3. The answer is incorrect. Okay. So now in this case, what you should do? Please remember here why this goes incorrect, because it is not following the rule of BODMAS or PEMDAS. Okay, BODMAS or PEMDAS. Lot of people follow PEMDAS, lot of people follow BODMAS. Okay, so in this case, you need to remember that division has to be done before subtraction. So we have 1 upon 6. 1 divided by 6 can also be written as 1 upon 6 minus 3. Now when you have something like this, all you have to do is take LCM. Now since there is no denominator to 3, that means the denominator is 1. Now in order to take LCM, we are trying to take the denominator to be what? 6 in both cases. So in that case, we will multiply numerator and the denominator by 6. So here, since the 1 already has 6 as the denominator, 1 remains 1. Minus 3 into 6 can get you 18. So answer comes out to be, see, 1 minus 18. So we need to subtract 1 from 18. So answer is supposed to be 17. But the final answer will have the sign of the negative or the bigger number. So here the bigger number is 18, whose sign is negative. So answer will be minus 17 upon 6. Now this is an improper fraction. So here you can even write this as what? 2 5 by 6. That is the right answer for this particular question. I hope this is very clear to everyone. That's it for today. I will see you in the next video.